All right, guys, so another frozen backflow. This one I got video or pictures of it about a week ago, honestly, and it's still in this condition with this much ice. So at least he put the bag on it. So, we know he cares. Just didn't get blown out though. So this is still frozen pretty good. I'm gonna have to bust this off. Looks like we definitely got some missing parts. So we'll get to it. All right, so I jackhammered through all of that ice and took the bag off, and this is what I discovered. So yeah, that's frozen. All right, well, I cut it open, and this is what I see in the main line. So we're gonna have an issue blowing this out today, or even testing it until this all thaws. But I'll slap the backflow on and we'll go from there. Guys, so we're back on the repair where it's all frozen. Came back to winterize it, and we blew some pipe right out of a fitting. Put my coupling up there. Where's my camera? Right there. And I blew that fitting apart. Well, I didn't, but it came apart, probably from freezing. It's probably got a crack in it. So I'm gonna cut down here and replace even my coupling. And digging through frozen ground again. So we got some cold weather coming in again, and I got to get it done. So blow it out, do this one fast. I'm cold. All right, back together. I didn't replace the elbow on the one that came apart, so now we did. I dug back in there. I didn't show that. It's just really cold today. Left the pipe with the coupling and the elbow on in the van for a while with the defrost on to get it nice and hot. So the glue could dry nice and good. Unfortunately, the two couplings, we're gonna have to come back in a couple hours to test this and blow it out. Just because it's cold, it's like 30 degrees, so the glue's gonna take its sweet time drying and curing. So that's that. Sleeves there, and I'm gonna go real easy on this backfill, especially with rain, snow, ice all in the mix. So it's a doozy. Yep, a roozy.